Okay, so what's the problem in this? You see the way this is packaged? I just received this. I can bet you there's a relay right behind this. And I can also bet you that the legs of the relay are bent, and possibly the circuit board is either broken or caved in. Let me get a knife and I'll open this and show you. This is currently sealed. This is where I received it. The FedEx guy just delivered it to me, and that's the part number. Maybe I'll open it right here. Let's see. Let's see. This is the unit, and as suspected, it's bent. Never mind, even if it's bent, you should still be able to use it. Brand new, fully sealed. Let me remove this and this. Okay, so they changed where they put these. This packet is not even opening because this is almost like a staple. Okay. And come on, guys. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. You see, very poor packaging, unusable. It doesn't shake as much, but because of what's happened here, this whole thing is broken. Other than that, the panel is good. You can't use this. It goes in the garbage.